This is Steve at ME Warrior UK. This is not for any specific reason other than the fact that I'm testing some new equipment to hopefully allow me to get in more comfortable positions, because trust me, previously all my videos were done like that, holding a camera, and I can only do that for so long before it really hurts. So you would have noticed in previous videos there'll be lots of camera shake. I'm also subject to whatever noise is around because of the environment I'm in. I'm not going to offer you any more than whether you want to say that was better or don't bother.